Come spend the afternoon with us. I'm a working mom and the sole income provider to my family, and my husband is the sexiest stay-at-home daddy to our 6 sweet babies. Our kids attend a 3-hour biblical-based curriculum, so while they're there, I'm taking my lunch break, and we're putting together this couch from Belffin. Actually, my husband will, and I'm going to fill these goodie bags for a local domestic violence service center. They are throwing a Halloween party for the kids they serve and asked for donations, so I knew it was my time to shine. I got those sweet cups from Dollar Tree, and I intended to fill them with candy. However, the opening was just way too small, so I added a juice to every bag, and then I filled it to the brim with candy and then added some tissue paper. I'm doing the same thing with these ghost cups and these really sweet ghost bags. We called up there, we scheduled the drop off, and my husband will actually do that when he goes to run carpool and pick up our kiddos. And that is how we tag team our day. Okay, husband's still trucking, and I only have 18 minutes left in my lunch break, so let's go. I'm helping him move around our furniture. I'm filling up his gym bag for later. He'll take the kids with him in the afternoon. And then I put together this gift basket for the director at my kids' school. She has been absolutely incredible, and I wanted to do something fall themed. We are moving the rug that was in here upstairs. I'm filling the dog treats, the bully sticks, giving everybody one of them, and then we are popping these washable cushions onto the couch while he makes some kiddo chairs as well. Take one last look at this Halloween decor and how perfectly this couch came together. Okay, I'm having him put together a dog bed for one of our girls that loves to sunbathe. She's going to just love it. I know it. And then fold up the slip inside because it's no longer summer. Back inside, and he is stuffing the dog bed, or at least what Lila will let him do. And this is me. I am sitting on this cloud-like couch getting my work done. My day in the lives are not very interesting. I do at least 8 hours of emails a day, so this is a lot of what my day looks like, which is why I wanted to include what my husband's doing within this. Speaking of, he is indeed putting away all the holiday decor, and he also tied these tags that I had printed off of Etsy onto these pumpkins, and he is going to give them to each of our kids' teachers. He started a Eufy, and then I'm grabbing a bite of his taco. He picked up the kids. He took them to McDonald's. We promised they could get those really fun buckets to decorate. Baby girl got a bottle. He broke out a little bit of Christmas decor, and then he went into the garage with the kiddos, cleaned it up, did trash and recycling, and now he is taking our 3 4-year-olds to get haircuts. They picked out what they call their car ride toys, and they're very excited to go. They're doing a little dance with their hands in the air. Okay, bye, baby. Have fun. Then later in the afternoon, I am going to get my workout in. I also picked up pizza on the way. I know fast food twice in one day is crazy for a gut health nutrition specialist like me, but these are definitely both of our October traditions, so we paired it with the fibrous fruit and yogurt not shown. Okay, upstairs to brush teeth, do bath bombs. Yeah, they're obsessed.
I love you. I love you.
I love you.
I love you more.
I love you more.
Do you know who else loves you?
Yes.
Who?
Jesus.
And who else?
Daddy.
Oh, and who else?
My brothers.
And who else?
My sisters.
Oh, who else?
And my teeth.
Both your daddies and both your mommies love you so much. You know that?
Love.
After the sweetest bedtime ritual ever, we went on a date night for our 4-year anniversary, which is why we cleaned and did projects earlier in the day. I gotta go love on my man. Bye.